My understanding with the BIM technology is there's so many different apps out there you have to use together, and I think there's probably a Microsoft Office waiting to come in the next 5 years.
Right.
Whether it's coming from can't I think of their name, Autodesk or somebody else, who knows? But I think there's going to be that unified app that will not be quite as good as all the individual ones, but it'll coordinate them, and we'll all be happier.
Do enough, right?
Yeah,
right.
Yeah, exactly.
Right.
I actually, though, I've spent a lot of time in the last couple of years implementing web-based project management software that's owner-driven, and none of them are perfect, but they're really an interesting collaboration tool. What we're finding is the big value. We bought it for some internal accountability and transparency. Where's my door, where's my button kind of deal. What we found they've been really helpful with is dealing with our vendors, contractors, and architects. They're just delighted using them and knowing where a change order is, where a pay application is, an RFI is submittal. What we're finding is it's not that folks don't want to do their job, but it's hard for them to keep track of everything coming at them. Owners really struggle with this, owner staff. And contractors, when they see where it is and they know it's moving through, they feel better about it, and it's building a lot of goodwill. It's also made some tremendous impacts on us. Contractor payments, I just did data before I left here. We went from 40 days to 10 days to pay contractors.
Wow.
40 days to 10 days. That was, you build, especially right now, we're building an awful lot of goodwill on that.
Yeah.
Now, it's more work for the contractor, but it's worth it. For example, they're making sure the schedule of values is put into the system ahead of time. And if we don't like it, we're talking then, not after the billing. The same with architects, other professional services.
And that's based off of a web-based project management
system? We happen to use Skyer. I know there's other good products here like eBuilder, and I'm sure there's others. Autodesk actually, I think it's still called Constructware. They have a product, and those are 3 I know of, and I'll bet you there's 10 more. Well, Penn State uses Tririga, for example.
Okay.
And